Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake no flour. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F, grease an 8-inch pan, and gather 4 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup cocoa, 1 tsp baking powder, 1/2 cup butter, and pinch of salt. Whisk eggs and sugar until pale, fold in melted butter and dry ingredients, pour batter, and bake 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick comes out fully clean. Many no-flour cakes rely on ground nuts, cocoa, or mashed bananas for structure and moisture. Measure ingredients precisely. 1 cup almond meal equals roughly 96 grams, but weight varies by brand. For lighter crumb, separate eggs and beat whites to soft peaks before folding gently, and avoid overmixing once dry ingredients meet wet. Adjust baking time by monitoring color and toothpick test rather than relying only on a timer carefully. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy background music while baking, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and voice control. It fills small kitchens with music, sets timers hands-free, and blends nicely with counter decor. If this helps, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals I found. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Flavor is key when you skip flour, so boost cocoa, vanilla, citrus zest, or spices to balance density. Use a simple glaze of powdered sugar and lemon juice, or a chocolate ganache made with 4 Oz chocolate and 1/2 cup cream warmed and stirred until smooth. Store leftover cake refrigerated up to 5 days in an airtight container, and bring to room temperature before serving to restore tenderness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.